Welcome to this video on the National Hazardous Waste Management Policy 2022, brought to you by the University of Science and Technology. The 2022 policy is an introduction to effectively managing hazardous waste. It aligns with international treaties such as the Basel, Stockholm, and Minamata Conventions, supporting sustainable development and public health. The main policy goal is to ensure environmentally sound management, or ESM, of hazardous waste. This is done to safeguard public health, protect the environment, and comply with international obligations. The policy objectives are to facilitate the implementation of international conventions. This includes minimizing waste generation, controlling transboundary movement, and building capacity for ESM practices. The guiding principles of the policy include the source reduction, proximity, precautionary, and polluter pays principles. Other principles include standardization, public participation, sovereignty, and least transboundary movement. Pakistan faces challenges with hazardous waste, including a lack of systematic collection and disposal, mismanagement of industrial and hospital waste, and illegal plastic and e-waste imports. There is also a lack of hazardous waste inventory. The regulatory framework consists of the Pakistan Environmental Protection Act, 1997, and the Hospital Waste Management Rules, 2005. The national environmental quality standards are also used, though gaps remain post-18th constitutional amendment. Transboundary movement of hazardous waste is prohibited for disposal, but allowed for reuse, recycle, and recovery under strict guidelines. Standard operating procedures are in place for packaging, labeling, and transport to prevent illegal traffic. Environmentally sound management focuses on waste prevention, reduction, and minimization. It also promotes reuse, recycling, and recovery. This includes infrastructure development for treatment and disposal, as well as risk management of contaminated sites. Capacity building and human resource development are key elements. This involves training stakeholders, including HWM topics in educational curricula, and research for innovative solutions. Awareness campaigns on hazardous waste management are also a focus. The policy has a special focus on solid waste management due to increasing urbanization. Key actions include promoting segregation at the source, establishing facilities for treatment, recycling, and disposal, and encouraging public-private partnerships. The policy also emphasizes public awareness and enforcing strict regulations. A sustainable financing mechanism is being developed through incentives for private sector involvement, use of economic instruments like tax rebates and green credits, and exploration of international funding sources. Penalties for non-compliance with waste management rules are also being established. Implementation and monitoring involve the development of an action plan. The National Implementation Committee provides oversight, and a technical committee offers advisory support. Regular monitoring and reporting are conducted by environmental protection agencies and stakeholders. Thank you for watching this video on the National Hazardous Waste Management Policy 2022.